Okay, today we are going to take a look at a nice little Zippo. This is a special one. Now this one came with the cardboard sleeve and it says 85th anniversary. Now this one comes in a collectible box on the front. It says 85 years, 1932 to 2017. It says the same thing on the back, 85th anniversary. And the inside of the box, the insert also is collectible, special edition, made in USA, of course. Here is the Zippo, nicely engraved. All of this is engraving. It's not a sticker. It's on a high polished chrome finish. And this one was made, it looks like, in C of 17. So that was March of this year. Kind of a muted sound. It doesn't have that real nice note there. But it lights up good. That's the 85th anniversary of Zippo. Let's give it a drop test. Probably shouldn't on this one, but we're going to do it anyway. A lit drop test. So yeah, it passes the lit drop test. After all, they've been making these things for 85 years. Should be getting good at it by now. It's a nice one. It's going to go good in my collection. That is the 85th anniversary of Zippo. Of course, they're made in the USA and definitely deserve a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.